I
clicked the fucking
you're
button.
such an idiot.
I know to click the fucking button. Fuck
You're
off.
so funny. All right, what's going on, everybody? I'm in Whistler, British Columbia right now. I'm staying at my buddy's place, and we're gonna give you guys a little room tour of where we're staying at for the week. So I guess you walk in right from the door, walk in, and then I guess this is the main foyer, you want to call it. Nice chill area, lots of couches, lots of cushions. We got the BNN TV going on. We got a little bit of Call of Duty action. Got to play some Call of Duty, do some trades, and always keep the BNN going on, right? Got this fire going on 24/7. Brings out a lot of heat. I love that thing. Got a little bathroom right here. Nice heated tiles. Then we got where I'm staying at. I guess nice bed. Got a TV going on. Own BNN. We come over here. We've got my bathroom. Yeah, we got a shower, tub. Yeah, it's a full bathroom. I don't know what I'm talking about. It's a full bathroom. You come back over here. So in case my buddy has lots of friends over, I guess he's got, what is that, 3 beds? A triplex, something like that. So again, this is, I guess, where I'm working for the next week. You know, we've been killing it in the market so far this past month. We're up 12%. For anybody that's interested in learning how to trade, you know, just message me on social media or anything like that. Go to moneyballtrading.com, message me, and we'll do the mentorship program, right? So if we come over here, let's check out outside. This is kind of a nice area that I like to hang out in the mornings, have my coffee. You got the hill right there. I'm gonna show you the hill outside after this, and show you the private gondola, the pool, and the gym, and the sauna. So we'll check that out. So this is a nice outdoor spot. And this is being held, or this location right now is where the 2010 Olympic Games were held. So the resort's right here, the hills, everything's right here in this little area. Beautiful painting. Don't even think it's a painting. This is the kitchen. This is where we do all our cooking. It's a nice kitchen. Can't complain. Got the fridge, of course. Got our laundry in case we want to do laundry. All right, we come into the master bedroom. This is where he's sleeping. Big bed. He's got his own TV. He needs to have that on BNN. I'm trying to get him on that channel. And I guess we got his big master bathroom. Looks awesome. Oh, these tiles are heated too, eh? That's nice. All right. Well, besides that, let's head outside, guys, and I'll meet you outside, and I'll give you the rest of the tour. All right, let's go. All right, now we're outside. I just wanted to show you guys the private gondola that's right out here. It's a nice view. We've got the ski hill that goes right here. And during, I guess, the winter time, this is obviously all snow, ski. It's a massive mountain. And then during the summer months, this becomes a big bike hill. But now it's kind of split between the 2 seasons. So there's really nobody up here. Not a soul is here. So let's go in. We're gonna check out the lobby. Check out the lobby, the gym, and then the pool. Alright, so this is the lobby. Nice little lodge style lobby. Nobody's ever here. I've never seen anybody down there. It's just so empty. Alright, so this is where we work out. Nice gym. Got a little bit of everything. Treadmills, no free weights, exercise equipment, TV. It's a nice gym. You can literally do a little bit of everything. That's it. I think it's an amazing gym. We've got a steam room right over there. Nice shower, nice water. And this is where I like to come out during the nighttime, just before it closes. We got the barbecue on deck right here. This is where I'm going to be doing my first live stream, actually. We're going to do a little cooking show for you guys. If you guys are listening to this, it's probably going to be in 24 hours from now. But from here, we got 3 pools, 3 I guess, saltwater pool down there, 2 pools, 1 medium hot tub, and then the hottest hot tub right here. So that's it. Beautiful place, guys. I just like showing you guys around these tours of these rooms and stuff like that, and places I like to go. They're kind of places that I look for inspiration when I began my trading career. It's just kind of interesting to see where people are and experience it with them, right? So that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like, leave a comment. Appreciate it. Thanks, guys.